Welcome everyone, happy to see you again. In this video, we are going to learn about the easy way to design a beam for residential building. Before get into the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and get updated. We are doing the following works in online, with good quality and low cost. Interested, kindly contact us. Beam is a horizontal structural member, and beam is a flexural member, which means, the beam is subjected to both the tension and compression forces. Beam is provided to carry the loads from the slab, roof, walls, and columns directly and transferring to the columns. Nowadays, reinforced concrete is used to build the beam. There are several types of classification in beam, which is based on the construction materials and method of design. Based on end condition: simply supported, fixed beam, overhanging, single overhanging, double overhanging, continuous, and cantilever beam is there. Based on shape: unflanged and flanged section is there. Based on reinforcement: singly reinforced beam and doubly reinforced beam is there. Based on section of beam: under reinforced section and over reinforced section is there. Breadth of beam can be adopted as 230 mm, which is based on the thickness of wall, because the beam will not appear outside the wall and give good appearance. Breadth of beam can be changed when the depth of beam is not enough to carry the load from the slab, roof or anything. Then the breadth of beam will be changed. Usually in the residential buildings, we can adopt the breadth of beam as 230 mm. Because the type of load, intensity of load, will remain same. Depth of beam depends upon the length of beam, intensity of load and type of load. For the residential building, if the length of beam is less than 4 meters, depth of beam can be adopted as 300 mm. For the residential building, if the length of beam is between 4 meters to 6 meters, depth of beam can be adopted as 450 mm. The thumb rule for the beam is 1 inch of depth is adopted for the length of 1 feet of beam. This thumb rule used in India. It is adopted from the experience. For concrete and beam, we can use M20 grade of concrete, which is the strength of concrete must be 20 Newton per millimeter square. M20 grade of concrete contains 1 part of cement, 1.5 parts of fine aggregate and 3 parts of coarse aggregate. Minimum concrete cover will be 25 mm must be used. For steel, Fe 415 steel can be used for the main bars, hanger bars, and shear reinforcement in the beam. For main reinforcement, 4 numbers of 10 mm diameter bars can be used. For hanger bars, 2 numbers of 8 mm diameter bars can be used. And for the shear reinforcement, 8 mm diameter bar with 150 mm center to center can be provided for the reinforced beam. The given specification will be suggested for the residential building for up to 3-story buildings. Thank you everyone. If you like this video, thumbs up, and subscribe my channel and keep sharing.